All right, hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to whatever week this is of remote learning. We're getting pretty close to the end of the chapter here. Today we have a new lesson. Wednesday will be a review, Wednesday will be a quiz. Friday will be a new lesson. Monday will be a new lesson next Monday. Next Wednesday will be the review, and next Friday will be the test on this chapter. And we'll be done with this, and then that leaves us about 4 weeks left of one more chapter, and that's going to be pretty close to the end of the school year. So let's get going. I hope you enjoyed the video that you watched before this on the actual lesson for today. Not really going to go through much of the lesson because you just watched the video. Hopefully you answered all the questions from the video and you did pretty well. Obviously go back and watch the video again if you skipped it because that's where the information was for the lesson today. I just want to go over a couple quick things with you and then I'll get out of here and you can get to your work. First thing, last Friday I gave you guys some Ed puzzles to do, and the last question on the Ed puzzle was what could I do to make these video lessons better? Kamorley didn't like that I talked so low. Peyton already thought they were great. Kathy thought they were great, even though she didn't say great, I'm just saying great. Cathal thought my videos were the best thing on the face of the planet. Kevin didn't really care. Kyle thought they were great. Emily goes, they're all right so far. I think that they're better than all right, thanks, Em. Lily, stop playing music. Jalen wants me to rap. That's not happening. Add exciting music. So Peyton, P-Dubs, I'll try to find some better music for you today. And then from my homeroom that answered the question, Cheyenne thought they were great. Emily, you keep doing the same because of it's good how it is. So thanks, Em. Ireland, make them shorter, so I'm going to make sure that I make them longer for you, just for you, Ireland. Nana thinks they're great. River, stop talking about other things. So I guess you don't want me to talk about what I did for the weekend, so I won't for you, River. Nashley wants me to put in some jokes. I'll come up for some jokes for next time. Dejan wants me to make them faster. That's not happening. Let's see, Desi, nothing. It helps her understand I'm doing a great job, so thank you, Desi. And Ariana has told me that they've reached max goodness, so I really enjoy that one, Ariana. So thanks very much. So today's lesson, like I said, hopefully you watched the video, pretty much explains everything we're going to be doing today. It's just order of operations that you do whatever, and we've talked about this multiple times. Ms. Davis has talked about it a million times. That whatever's in the parentheses we do first, then we do multiplication or division, and then we do adding and subtracting, and we always work from the right and then go to the left. All right, so some of the examples here, 3 times 8 and 5 times 5, we would do the multiplication, and then we would do the addition and get our answer. Pretty much all we're doing today, unless you see parentheses. So even though we said you do multiplication and division first, if the addition and subtraction is in the parentheses, then you do the addition or subtraction first, and then you do the multiplication to get your answer. There's a couple of word problems at the end that you have to write the equation for. So in the Google form, if it says write the equation, make sure you write the equation for me. All right, so all of these are just coming up with the answer. So remember, do multiplication or division first and then your addition. Unless there's parentheses, then you do the parentheses first and then you would do the division and just write in the answers. Same thing for this section, but I think all of these I put in parentheses. So you have to always do the parentheses first. So this one has parentheses, parentheses, and then the division. Over here, you're just finding the missing value. So solving, multiple steps, but solving, you do the parentheses, then the multiplication and division, and then the addition or subtraction. Remember those orders of operation: parentheses, division, and then adding and subtracting. If there's nothing here, you're going to do the multiplication, the division, and then the adding. You work from right to left. You do multiplication and division first, and then you do adding and subtracting last. All right, that's the order that you're doing. Here you tell me what the unknown is. So if we know that this is 5 times 4 minus something equals 13, you got to tell me what this missing digit is here. All right, same thing over here. 8 plus 6 times something equals 42. All right, that's what you're doing for this section, and then there's just some word problems. I put the answers here in a complete sentence or just the number. I really hope that you write the complete sentence. Remember, if it marks it wrong, I always go back and grade it and send it back to you, so that you get that email with what your actual grade is. So you can go back and see how you did. If you wrote it and it was correct, don't email me and say, hey, I got it right, but it said it was wrong. I always email you back and let you know. So keep up the great work. Have a great Monday and have a great Tuesday. I'll do a Google Meets tomorrow at 10 and 1 o'clock. And then, like I said, Wednesday we're going to have a quiz. So tomorrow I will go over anything that you have questions about for the quiz on Wednesday. And that's it. So thank you very much, everybody, and have a great day. And I will see you tomorrow, I hope.